check out this discrimination, guys. So it doesn't stop with getting kicked out of somewhere for an anti-Israeli social media post. I just tried to fly home from Fort Lauderdale. I went on FLAIR Airlines website, tried to book a flight. My name and birthday brought up an error message. So I went on their live chat and got an agent, and I screenshotted the entire conversation we had, and I asked the agent why I'm illegally banned from booking on FLAIR and why they're violating my human rights, obviously based on my political beliefs, because they have no other reason not to let me be on their flight or to try to blacklist me. And the agent assured me that I was not blacklisted. It had to have been a site error, and he could book me the reservation. I would just have to pay a $25 service fee, which I did. He booked the reservation. I got the confirmation. I kept him on the chat until I paid for everything, got a confirmation of payment. He said thank you. I said goodbye, documented it all, checked in, went to the airport today, walked up to the counter, gave him my passport, and they said, oh, sorry, there's an error on the computer that we haven't seen before. But don't worry, we're just going to call FLAIR and we'll make sure you get on the flight. They call FLAIR, and I could hear FLAIR on the phone literally say, don't let him on the plane. And they said, sorry, we're not going to let you on the plane. I said, well, that's ridiculous. Can I get my money back? Oh, no, you're going to have to call FLAIR for that. Well, now you're robbing me and not letting me get on the flight. So I called the Broward County Sheriff's Department, brought the police there so I could have a official police report. They told the police not to file an official police report because they didn't want it documented, and I couldn't make the police file one because there had been no actual criminal offense committed. So I called FLAIR and said, what the hell? And FLAIR tried to tell me I'm not blacklisted and I could go back to the airport because I still have time to get on the flight. And then when I said who I was and said my name and why I believe I'm blacklisted, they said, that's a different story. We can't help you in that case. You're going to have to email us. So I emailed FLAIR. I emailed all the relevant travel authorities. And now I'm making this video and I'm going to tag FLAIR in it so everybody knows that they're absolute pieces of trash. And now they've violated somebody's human rights. They violated the Consumer Protection Act by having their agents lie to me, say I wasn't blacklisted, take my money, book me, only for me to go to the airport and find out I was blacklisted. And then, of course, it's discrimination for blacklisting someone from flying on your airline due to their political beliefs as an anti-lockdown speaker. So, FLAIR Airlines, I already emailed 3 separate agencies about you. We'll see what happens.